How to make poll on Discord. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can make poll on Discord. So then to begin with, check your internet connection. First of all, log in into your Discord. So for that, open up a browser, type in discord.com. Enter in your credential, log in into your account. Once you're logged into your Discord account, you'll be directed to the home page. Now first of all, in order to create a poll, you'll need to first of all select the bot. So you can just go ahead and you can open up a random bot, and after that you also need to select the server. So once you open up your server, now go ahead and open up a random channel, whatever you want, and after that open up a new tab, and on the web address bar type in topgg.com or top.gg. So this is gonna take you to a random page. So here you can just go ahead and select a bot. So what you need to do is, you can see right on top URL bar. So here you need to type in simple poll. After that you'll be able to find a lot. So just tap first one or whichever that feels like convenient for you. So button, once it's load, select the server that you wish to and click on the continue button. Make sure to allow all of these necessary permission and click on the authorize button right at the bottom. For the confirmation, sometimes you might be asked to solve a puzzle, but for this you need to tap on it. So select the image according to what they've asked and then tap on go to the server, whichever you've selected. It's gonna direct you to the Discord page, or you can leave this page and log in into your Discord account. So as you can see, you've successfully logged in. Now in order to generate the poll, you can see there is this simple poll. You can see just added or landed. First of all, you need to type in /poll. You can see there is the poll. Now tap on it, and after that you need to type in the question. So whatever is the question for your poll, you need to enter in within the inverted commas. So make sure not to leave the inverted commas. Now type in the question. Now let's go and select what should I do. For the option, you'll need to do the same procedure. Give a space, open the inverted commas, write in the answer, close the inverted commas. Once again, do the same procedure for step number 2 option or for the second option. So these are your options. Now click on the enter button or hit enter. So as you can see that the poll has been created. So in this way you can just create a poll on Discord. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.